Number 16. Make a choice. It means to decide between two or more options.
You need to make a choice about your future. You need to make a choice about your future. She made a tough choice regarding her career. She made a tough choice regarding her career. He had to make a choice between two colleges. He had to make a choice between two colleges.
Number 17. Get a surprise. It means to receive something unexpected.
I got a surprise gift on my birthday. I got a surprise gift on my birthday. She got a surprise visit from her best friend. She got a surprise visit from her best friend. They got a surprise when they saw the party. They got a surprise when they saw the party.
Number 18. Get good grades. It means to receive high marks or scores in school.
She studies hard to get good grades. She studies hard to get good grades. If you get good grades, you'll have more opportunities. If you get good grades, you'll have more opportunities. He was happy to get good grades this semester. He was happy to get good grades this semester.
Number 19. Get a chance. It means to have an opportunity to do something.
I hope to get a chance to travel abroad. I hope to get a chance to travel abroad. She got a chance to meet her favorite author. She got a chance to meet her favorite author. They didn't get a chance to say goodbye. They didn't get a chance to say goodbye.
Number 20. Get a hold of. It means to contact someone or obtain something.
Can you get a hold of the manager for me? Can you get a hold of the manager for me? He tried to get a hold of the report. He tried to get a hold of the report. She couldn't get a hold of her friend by phone. She couldn't get a hold of her friend by phone.